Managing product returns and issues through support tickets is a vital process that ensures smooth customer interactions and prevents chaos for your business. Whether you're new to handling support tickets or want to streamline the process, I'm going to show you how to manage these effectively in just a few simple steps. Stick with me until the end, and I'll even share a software recommendation that could save you time and effort when managing returns and customer issues. First, let's talk about setting up a clear process for creating support tickets. When a customer contacts you with an issue, the first step is to create a ticket. This allows you to track the issue and assign it to the right team member. Use a structured template for tickets, which includes the customer's information, a description of the problem, and any relevant product details. This template ensures that no crucial details are missed and helps you resolve the issue quickly. Next, categorize the ticket appropriately. For product returns and issues, make sure to use categories like return request or product defect to quickly identify the nature of the problem. This way, you can prioritize and address issues that require urgent attention. Having the right categories also helps prevent confusion down the line, especially when you're managing multiple tickets at once. Once the ticket is created and categorized, it's time to assess the return or issue. For product returns, make sure to verify the return policy and eligibility. If the product is eligible for return, instruct the customer on how to send it back, whether that's through a prepaid label or instructions for shipping. Always be sure to follow up with the customer to confirm receipt of the product once it's returned. If the issue is related to a defect or dissatisfaction with the product, make sure to get all the information about the problem and evaluate whether a replacement or a refund is the best solution. Keep the communication clear, friendly, and professional to ensure the customer feels heard. Now, here's the key. Automating this process can save you hours. Using software to manage support tickets allows you to streamline everything from ticket creation to resolution. The software we're using in this tutorial can automatically categorize tickets, set up automated responses, and even send follow-up messages, which reduces manual work and speeds up the resolution process. Once you've resolved the issue, don't forget to close the ticket. Closing a ticket is just as important as opening it because it lets you track performance and gives you a chance to follow up with the customer and ask for feedback. This helps ensure that you're not just solving the problem, but improving your service for future customers. Finally, make sure to document the issue and the solution. This information will be useful for future reference if the customer contacts you again or if similar issues arise. Keep a detailed log of every ticket and resolution so you can spot patterns and address potential problems proactively. Key takeaway: to manage product returns and issues effectively through support tickets. Make sure to set up a clear ticketing system, categorize issues correctly, use automation to speed up the process, and always follow up with your customers. Documentation and communication are key to providing excellent service. Before I close off, I want to remind you that you can try the software I've been using to manage support tickets with an exclusive free trial just for my viewers. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of that free trial.